Okay, sekarang saya akan bagi tahu apa ini fungsi yang seterusnya, ialah itu setup show. Setup show ini adalah basically just to bagi tahu okay, jenis apa presentation kamu akan gunakan. Kalau biasanya kalau kita ada komputer, biasa when kita gunakan komputer, kamu boleh guna inilah presented by speaker. As for browse at kiosk, maksudnya you tahu kalau if let's say there's some of the your department kah, dia ada masukkan slide that always go loop and loop, okay, and then tidak perlu orang klik punya, then you can guna ini sajalah, right? Now again back to here, presented by speaker, you can actually pakai ini loop to continue. Let's say your slide sudah habis, dia akan repeat sajalah, okay. And then here slideshows akan membagi tahu that okay, what slides you want to show, or maybe you want to show from 1 to 5 saja, and then repeat loop itu sajalah. But of course then here is your custom show, di mana like I said just now, when we created just now, okay, kucing show, when you are in kucing, you pakai kucing punya. Kalau you pergi Sri Aman, you pakai Sri Aman punya show lah. Or if you pergi Miri punya, you pakai Miri punya show. Then all the slides in your current PowerPoint slide, instead of having 3, you have 1 kan. Sekarang you guna 1 saja, and then you just can show whatever data you want to show lah. Okay, advanced slides here basically, if manually, maksudnya kita have to tekan next lah, okay. Right, and then using timings if present, if kalau kamu sudah set itu timing under the slide transition, okay, that's where you set the timing lah. Boleh. Now multiple monitors here because saya not connected to a monitor or a projector for now, but if kamu ada, you should be able to display, okay, either here will be your laptop, and then this part here will either be extended mode wizard, whereby you can actually sebenarnya see presenter view lah, okay, where you can actually see your slides as well as your notes, okay, your slide as well as your notes. Your notes is actually here speaker notes, okay. Dia you can actually kata saya ada gambar nak tunjuk selepas intro video. So this basically, this speaker note is only for you to see sajalah. So para penonton, those people seeing on the screen, they won't be able to see anything, okay. But this one is because like I said, tidak ada extra monitor, I won't be able to show you the presenter view for now lah. Okay, so that's how you can see your notes here, okay. And of course rehearse timing ini adalah sebenarnya just to let you go through your slides and all that lah, okay. So I just want to show you apa di sini, okay. The first timer sini adalah the current time you spend on this slide, and then this one is actually the actual time yang kamu akan membuat run the whole slide. So let's say if I press play, okay, I go next, okay, notice that time ini start, okay, after 3 or 4 5 seconds. Let's say you cakap, because you're rehearsing now then you speak, okay. So by now you're done already, then you go next, okay, and then go next again, and then you can see that how you automate itself lah. So let's say I press escape. Now let's say I'm done already, then I say yes. So when I press play nanti, notice that how long it will take me tadi just now 14 seconds, whatever apa fungsi saya buat tadi, biarpun play ke atau apa, is akan based on tadi kami rehearse punya timing lah. Boleh. So I think you should be able to see, I think we spend about 10 or 15 seconds here sebelum yang ini keluar. Then after that here I think about few seconds lah, I think 3 or 5 seconds I think, kalau tak silap. And after that dia akan hilang, sekali hilang go into the next slide, and the next slide lah. Okay, then we're going to switch slide, tinggal bintang saja. Okay, from there of course then this one is our current slide lah. So that is how you can work with your rehearse timing. So basically that's it under the slideshow punya ribbon. So I'll see you guys in the next module.